Want to create a smooth and creative cutout transition in CapCut PC? This tutorial will walk you through the entire process so you can make your subject slide seamlessly from one clip to the next using CapCut's auto cutout and keyframes. Start by opening CapCut on your PC and creating a new project. Import the video clips you want to use for your transition. Drag your first and second clips to the timeline. Make sure they are placed one after another without any space in between. Now move your playhead about 1 second into the second clip. Select the second clip, then click Split. This will divide the clip into 2 parts. Now take the newly split portion, the 1 second segment, and drag it to a track above the first video. This creates a second layer on top of your timeline. With this upper layer selected, go to the BG removal section in the right-hand panel. Click on Auto Cutout. CapCut will automatically detect and isolate the subject from the background. Wait for the cutout process to complete. Once the background has been removed, we're going to animate the movement. Stay on the top layer and go to the Position and Size section. Add keyframes at both the start and end of this 1 second clip. Now go back to the first keyframe and drag the clip down and out of the screen using the position controls. You should now see a smooth upward movement where the subject enters and settles into place. Next, select the original second clip, the part that stayed on the first track. We're going to add an opacity transition. Go to the opacity settings and add a keyframe at the start of the clip. Then move the playhead to the end of that clip and set the opacity to around 50%. This creates a subtle fade behind the moving cutout for a smoother visual transition. You can now play back your video to see the effect. The subject moves up into the frame while the background softly fades behind it. To apply this effect to more clips, simply repeat the same steps between the second and third video clips. And that's how you do a clean and professional cutout transition using CapCut PC. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step CapCut guides.